Good morning, students. I think you are in good health. Today I am going to start with the explanation of lesson number 2, The Thief's Story, written by Ruskin Bond, from Footprints Without Feet. The story deals with the basic human values and relationships. So let's begin with the explanation. I was a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Now I here is the narrator, and narrator is a thief. He is only 15 years old when he met Anil, the writer, and about writer who was about 25 years of age. He was tall and lean and thin fellow, and he looked easygoing. He was very simple. Easygoing means he was very simple, and for the purpose of stealing, the narrator, who is a thief, for the purpose of stealing, Anil was very simple and a better person for narrator. I hadn't much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. जो thief था वो कभी भी किसी चीज में उसकी जो लक है वो कभी लेट नहीं होती थी, मीन्स वो इजीली सब चीज उसे मिल जाती थी. तो अभी भी उसको लग रहा था कि अनिल के पास वो जिस पर्पस के लिए आया था वो उसको इजीली मिल जाएगी, and that is why he was having the confidence. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. Now flattery means, the meaning of flattery means here false praise, किसी की झूठी तारीफ करना. So the narrator, he just flattered Anil that your body looks like a wrestler, to make him friends. So do you, he replied. और तुम्हारा भी वैसे ही, अनिल ने जवाब दिया कि तुम्हारी बॉडी भी रेसलर की तरह ही दिखती है. Which put me off for a moment, because at that time I was rather thin, and the narrator felt slightly awkward because that time he was quite thin, not his body doesn't look like the wrestler. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. And that time the thief, he told that yes, with modestly means humbly. Yes, I do wrestle a bit. मैं भी कभी कभी wrestling कर लेता हूँ. What's your name? Anil asked. Hari Singh. I lied. Now the I, who is the narrator, he told his name Hari Singh. And he lied. He is telling himself that he lied. I took a new name every month. वो हर महीने एक नया नाम रखता था अपना. That keep me ahead of the police, and that keeps him hide from the police and also from his employers. जहाँ पे वो पहले नौकरी करता था उनसे भी वो हमेशा छुपता था, इसीलिए वो हमेशा अपनी जो नाम है वो चेंज करता रहता था, हर महीने वो चेंज करता था. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were gruntling, lifting and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. And when, after some introduction, both of them, then Anil was just टेलिंग अबाउट द रेसलर. जो वो टीवी में जो रेसलिंग देख रहा था उसके बारे में उसने डिस्कशन कर रहा था कि हाउ दे वेयर ग्रंटलिंग. ग्रंटलिंग मीन्स रोरिंग, गुर्राना. लिफ्टिंग, एक दूसरे को उठा के किस तरीके से पटक रहे थे, किस तरीके से थ्रो कर रहे थे. ऑल द टैक्टिक्स विच वर यूज्ड इन रेसलिंग. एंड देन आफ्टर सम टाइम्स अनिल वॉक्ड अवे एंड हरि सिंह ऑल्सो फॉलोड हिम. Hello again, he said, because he started following. तो थोड़ी देर बाद अनिल जो है उसको फिर दोबारा वो पूछता है हेलो. I gave him my most appealing smile. Now Hari Singh gave him the most appealing smile. Appealing smile means उसकी जो एक attractive, appealing here means attractive smile थी, उसने दिया. I want to work for you. मैं आपके साथ काम करना चाहता हूँ. I said, but I can't pay you. Hari Singh said that he want to work with Anil, but Anil said that you can work for me, but I am unable to pay you. That seems that Anil was not having his regular income. उसकी वो regular income नहीं थी. I thought that over for a minute. थोड़ी देर के लिए हरि सिंह जो है वो सोचता है. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. I asked, can you feed me? That means he has misjudged the man. Misjudged means उसने अनिल को ये सोचा था कि अनिल दिखने में काफी रिच वेल्दी पर्सन है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. That is why he misjudged अनिल. Then Hari Singh asked, can you feed me? क्या तुम मुझे खिला सकते हो? Can you cook? अनिल दोबारा पूछता है, क्या तुम खाना बना सकते हो? I can cook. He lied again. Again Hari Singh lied that yes, he can cook the food, but he cannot. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. अगर तुम खाना बना सकते हो तो मैं तुम्हें खाना खिला सकता हूँ. If you can cook, then may I can feed. He took me to his room over the Jamuna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog. But that day he cooked for Anil and himself, but it was terrible. It was not eligible to eat because वो कभी भी खाना नहीं बनाया था. That was his first time to cook food. और अनिल को इतना गुस्सा आया कि वो खाना जो है वो स्ट्रे डॉग को देके आ गया. एंड टोल्ड मी टू बी ऑफ. और मुझे कहा कि तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ. और टू बी ऑफ मीन्स तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ, मीन्स तुम ये घर छोड़ के चले जाओ. बट आई जस्ट हंग अराउंड. बट आई द नरेटर हरि सिंह वो वहीं पे रहा. ही रिमेन्ड देयर. हंग देयर में अराउंड मीन्स ही रिमेन्ड देयर. स्माइलिंग in my most appealing way. In his most appealing way, he just smiled and he couldn't help laughing. He gave him a smile and Anil, because Anil was a very simple person, so he also laughed. Later he patted me on my head. उसने उसको pat किया and said, never mind, I had teach me to cook, that he will teach me to cook. He also taught me to write my name. उसने उसको नाम लिखना सिखाया and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentence. He will make him learn and write and add numbers. I was grateful, and for that Hari Singh was grateful to Anil. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve, because Hari Singh was an intelligent person and he knows the value of education. So उसे लगता था कि अगर वो पढ़ना लिखना सीख जाएगा तो उसके लिए एक बहुत बड़ी achievement होगी, that he will be achieve. It was quite pleasant working for Anil, because Anil is a very simple man. So working with Anil is very good for Hari Singh. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. Now every day Anil used to give some money for shopping, and from that money Hari Singh would save ₹1 for him. वो हमेशा डेली ₹1 वो बचाता था और वो ₹1 वो अपने पास ही रख लेता था. वो उसे वापस अनिल को नहीं देता था. I think he knew I made a little money. I think he knew means मुझे मालूम था कि ये बात अनिल को मालूम थी कि मैं डेली उसकी शॉपिंग में से 1 रुपए निकाल लेता हूँ. And but it doesn't mean Anil any difference, as Anil is a very simple man, very good person, easygoing person, simple enough. So that is why that does not make him any difference. Little money this way, but he did not seem to mind, and that is why उसको ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. Okay, you can see the picture here. Anil and Hari Singh both are sitting, and they were just Anil is making Hari Singh to read and write. Okay, now let's take the next page. Anil made money by fits and starts. By fits and starts means अनिल की जो सैलरी जो थी वो रेगुलर इनकम नहीं थी. उसकी जो इनकम थी वो कभी इनकम उसकी रहती थी, कभी नहीं रहती थी. ही वुड बोरो 1 week, लैंड द नेक्स्ट. कभी वो उधार लेता था और कभी वो चुकाता था. ही केप्ट वरिंग अबाउट हिज नेक्स्ट चेक. ही वॉज वरीड अबाउट हिज चेक. वट एवर वर्क ही डज, उसके लिए उसे पैसे मिलते थे, वो उसके लिए वो चिंतित तो रहता था. बट एज सुन एज इट अराइव्ड ही वुड गो आउट एंड सेलिब्रेट. एंड एज सुन एज ही रिसीव्ड द मनी ही वुड सेलिब्रेट विथ हिज फ्रेंड्स. दैट सीम्स दैट ही इज अ स्पेंडथ्रिफ्ट. वो काफी खर्चीला व्यक्ति था. It seems he wrote for magazine, a queer way to make a living. He used to write for magazines, as initially I have told you, he is a writer. He used to write for his magazines. This is the strange way of his livelihood. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes. वो एक पैसा की गड्डी लेके आया notes, saying he had just sold a book to the publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. And that one night, he saw that he folded that bundle of money and he kept under the mattress. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. And here, the thief is very innocent. Hari Singh is innocent. He is telling that सिर्फ मुझे शॉपिंग के लिए जो अनिल पैसे देता था उसमें से सिर्फ मैं 1 रुपए ही अपने पास रखता था. बाकी सारी पैसे मैं अनिल को वापस कर देता था, और मतलब मैं कभी भी चीटिंग नहीं किया अनिल को. I had every opportunity of doing so. मेरे पास काफी अपॉर्चुनिटी थी. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I please. He was the most trusting person I had ever met, and Anil is a most trusting person because he is very simple man, and he always trusts others. And that is why Hari Singh also trusted Anil. And that is the way it was so difficult to rob him. इसलिए उसे लूटना, rob means लूटना, बहुत मुश्किल था. It's very easy to rob a greedy person. लालची आदमी को रॉब करना या उसके घर में चोरी करना आसान था, लेकिन एक पर्सन जो तुमको काफी विश्वास करता है उसके घर में चोरी करना काफी कठिन था. Because he can afford to be robbed. But it's very difficult to rob a careless person, a person who is very careless. Careless, when a person is careless means he is very simple person. Okay? So sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that makes all the pleasure out of the work. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता था कि जो simple person होते हैं उनके घर में चोरी हो जाती है, उनके घर से कुछ चीज चली जाती है, लेकिन उनको समझ में ही नहीं आता है कि उनके घर से कुछ चीजें गायब हो गई है. Well, it's time I did some real work. I told myself I am out of practice. Now narrator, who is the thief Hari Singh, he is telling to himself कि काफी दिन हो गए, I have not done my work. And what was his work? His work is stealing. So कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि वो उसकी जो practice है वो छूट जाए. I am out of practice, छूट जाए. So that's why he now took the decision to steal. And if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. क्योंकि उसको भी बंडल के पैसे के बंडल मिले थे और वो अभी अगर नहीं लेता है, कौन नहीं लेता है? हरि सिंह अगर उसको चुरा नहीं लेता है तो अनिल जो वो सारे पैसे अपने दोस्तों में उड़ा देगा. After all, he doesn't even pay me, and for whatever the work, household work, Hari Singh used to do for Anil, उस काम के अनिल उसको पैसे नहीं देता था. तो इसीलिए हरि सिंह ने सोचा क्यों ना अनिल के घर में ही चोरी की जाए. Anil was asleep. That night, one night, Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on a floor. He sat up on a floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Now Anil was asleep and Hari Singh, he was awake and he was thinking of taking out the bundle of notes from the below the mattress, and he also want to elope from this place also. Elope means to run out from this place also, and he could have caught 10:30 express. 10:30 बजे की गाड़ी है, उसको वो easily पकड़ लेगा. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the door. वो अपने blanket से निकला because it is the time of winter season. अपने वो blanket से निकला and just he was thinking what to do. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. He was not having any tension. एकदम शांत, very calmly he was sleeping. Even I had more marks on my face, but here Anil is telling that, Hari Singh is telling that he was having more marks in his face because he was in tension, because now he wants to steal the bundle of notes. That is why he was fully stressed. Though mine was mostly scarce. My hand slides under the mattress, searching for the notes. जो mattress के नीचे उसने पैसे रखे थे, उसके नीचे उसकी हाथ चली गई, and he was searching for the notes. When I found them, जब मुझे वो मिला, I drew them out without a sound. I just took out from there. Anil sighed in his sleep because as the mattress moved, because he has put the hand below the mattress, so Anil he moved and he took a side, means he took a long breath and turned on his side, turned to Hari Singh's side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. I was startled means he was totally surprised, shocked, and just he quickly crawled out of the room. चुपके से वो बाहर चला गया. When I was on the road, I began to run, and just he was running because he has to catch 10:30 express 10 for Lucknow. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas, and where he has kept the bundle of the notes, he has kept the bundle of the notes in the string of his pajamas. He was wearing pajama. उस पैजामा की जो नाड़ा जिसको हम कहते हैं उस पे उसने अपने पैसे को बांध दिया था. I slowed down to the walk and counted the notes, and just after some time he slowed down. He started walking. Initially he was running and then he started walking. and while walking he was just counting his notes. उसने धीरे धीरे पैसे को काउंट करना शुरू किया. And the total value of notes was 600 and the notes are of 50s. 50 rupees के notes थे और total जो amount था that was 600. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. Whatever amount he has got, इससे जो thief हरी सिंह है वो आसानी से कितने दिन, एक हफ्ता इजीली वो बड़े आराम से रह सकता है. You can see here in the picture how Hari Singh was trying to take out the amount. When I reached the station, I had not stopped at the ticket office. Because why he has not stopped? Because he don't have the habit of taking the ticket. उसने कभी टिकट लिया ही नहीं, वो हमेशा बिना टिकट के ट्रैवल करता था. I had never bought a ticket in my life, but dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. Lucknow जो express train है, it was just about to leave the platform. The train had still to pick up the speed, but it was very slow. It has not taken the speed, and I should have able to jump into one of the carriages, but I hesitated. वो easily jump कर सकता था, but उसने ऐसा नहीं किया. वो थोड़ा hesitate कर रहा था, और किस लिए hesitate कर रहा था उसको खुद को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि why he was hesitating to move to the coach. For some reason I can't explain. He can't explain himself also, and I lost the chance to get away, and he lost the chance to get into the train because the train has left the platform. When the train had gone, जब ट्रेन जाने लगा, I found myself standing alone. He was alone in the platform, on the deserted platform. Deserted means no one was there in the platform. I had no ideas where to spend the night because he left Anil's house. Now he has to find out some place where he can spend this night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. उसके पास कोई दोस्त नहीं था. उसको ऐसा लगता था कि जो दोस्त है, जो फ्रेंड्स है, वो और ट्रबल क्रिएट करते हैं. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station, and he don't want to live in the hotel also. The only person I knew really was the man I had robbed. और इसी शहर में उसको एक ही, and it was Anil whom he had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. He left the station and he started moving towards the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, उसकी जो शॉर्ट कैरियर थी, बाय प्रोफेशन ही वाज अ थिफ, उसकी इतनी कैरियर में, इतने लाइफ में, आई हैड मेड अ स्टडी ऑफ मैन्स फेस. क्योंकि वो काफी आदमियों से मिल चुका था, इसलिए वो सबके चेहरे को इजीली वो पढ़ पाता था. चेहरे देख के बता सकता था कि कौन से आदमी का कैरेक्टर क्या होता है. ही कैन इजीली एज्यूम द कैरेक्टर. When they had lost their goods, what type of character? Let's see. The greedy man showed fear. The greedy man जो होते थे, जो लालची आदमी होते थे, वो उनको डर लगता था. The rich man showed anger, and the rich man, they used to protest and shows anger. The poor man showed expectance. और जो गरीब आदमी होते हैं, वो उनको ऐसा लगता है कि whatever is going on, everything they could expect. वो आसानी से उन सारी चीज को एक्सेप्ट कर लेते थे. But I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the thief would showed only a touch of sadness. लेकिन when Anil will find out that Hari Singh is no more and the bundle of notes were also no more, he will feel very sad. Not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. Not for money, but for trust. whatever trust he has created for Hari Singh, and that trust he will lose. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on the bench. Hari Singh also started thinking about Anil. The night was chilly. It was early November. It was very chill night because winter season, and the light drizzled, added to my discomfort. And अचानक जो है, it started lightning, and after some time it started raining also. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin. His shirt and pajama stuck to his skin, चिपक गई थी, because it started raining, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face, and a cold wind was also blowing because it was raining. I went back to the bazaar. He went back to bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. And now it was midnight, 12 o'clock, and he was just sitting. He was sitting beneath the clock tower, and he was just thinking of the notes, and that notes was totally wet. Anil's memory, in the morning, he would have probably given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meal, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences for more. Anil's money. In the morning he could probably give me. अनिल को ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो सुबह उठते साथ ही उसको 1-2 नोट जो है 50 रुपीस के नोट हरि सिंह को देता, लेकिन हरि सिंह को देता किसके लिए? शायद सिनेमा देखने के लिए। लेकिन हरि सिंह ये भी सोच रहा था कि अभी सारी की सारी नोट्स वो जो है वो उसके पास है। अभी ये नोट्स जो है वो किसकी नहीं है, वो अनिल की नहीं है, सारे नोट्स अभी उसके हैं, वो अभी उस नोट से कुछ भी कर सकता है। I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal. It is very simple to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But sometimes it happens that चोरी करने वाले पकड़े भी जाते हैं. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. लेकिन एक respected man, एक clever man, उसके लिए कुछ अलग ही क्वालिफिकेशन की जरूरत होती है. I should go back to Anil. मुझे अनिल के पास जाना चाहिए. I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. And he was having the greed of getting the education, and that is why he wanted to move to Anil. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous. He was nervous because he stole and again he came back. उसको ये डर था कि अगर वो पकड़ा जाएगा तो उसके साथ क्या हो सकता है. For it is much easy to steal something than to remain it undetected. किसी के घर से चोरी करना काफी आसान है, लेकिन उसको छुपा पाना बड़ा मुश्किल है. I opened the door quietly, then stood up in the doorway. I clouded moonlight. Anil was still sleeping. He opened the door, he entered into the room, into the balcony. Anil was still sleeping. और इतना सारा चीज हो गया, अनिल को समझ में ही नहीं आया. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand and he just took out the notes and he started keeping beneath that bed, and he was so excited for keeping these notes that Anil, he started moving, and the breath of Anil, he was so close to Anil that the breath of Anil could be felt by Hari Singh. I remained still for a minute. After some time he remained still. He was totally quiet. He was not moving also. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with a notes. और वो मैट्रेस को उठाया और उसके नीचे वो पैसे रख दिए. I woke late next morning क्योंकि he slept also late, so next morning he wake late next morning and find that Anil had already made the tea. उसने देखा कि already अनिल जो है वो चाय बना चुका था. He stretched me his hand towards me. There was 50 rupee note between his finger, and he was just when he stretched the hand, he found that Anil was holding what? 50 rupees note. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. My heart sank means he was totally depressed. उसको लगा कि उसकी जो चोरी है वो पकड़ी गई. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. I made means here who is I here? Anil. Anil told that कि मुझे कुछ पैसे मिले हैं तो इसीलिए इस महीने से तुमको मैं रेगुलर पैसे देने की कोशिश करूंगा, जो कि उसकी पेमेंट है. My spirit rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from night's rain. My spirit rose. मेरी जो इच्छाएं है वो बहुत जाग चुकी थी, बिकॉज अभी उसको रेगुलर सैलरी या पैसे उसको मिलेंगे, तो इससे वो काफी खुश था. लेकिन somewhere he was depressed also because he stole the money, he broke the trust of Anil, and still he felt that the notes were totally wet. तो क्या उसको लगा, तो क्या ये चीज अनिल को समझ में नहीं आया कि पैसे जो है वो गीले हैं? तो क्या ये अनिल को समझ में नहीं आया? अनिल को जरूर समझ में आया होगा. टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग सेंटेंसेस, ही सेड. बट अनिल जो है उसने इस बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा. ही स्पोक नॉट अ सिंगल वर्ड, एंड जस्ट ही टोल्ड दैट फ्रॉम टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट विथ राइटिंग सेंटेंसेस. ही न्यू, बट neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything, but he totally never expressed whatever has done by Hari Singh. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way. I means here Hari Singh smiled at Anil his most appealing way, and the smile came by itself. और जो वो उसकी जो हंसी थी, स्माइल थी, वो हमेशा बनावटी स्माइल देने की कोशिश करता था, पर इस समय उसकी जो स्माइल थी वो उसके दिल से निकल के आ रही थी. एंड दैट सीम्स दैट ही wants to thank Anil for doing everything, for giving him education, for giving him money, for giving him care, for trusting him without any effort. और इस समय जो उसने अपनी जो स्माइल दी वो उसकी जबरदस्ती वाली स्माइल नहीं थी, वो उसकी खुद की स्माइल थी जो कि उसके दिल से निकल के आ रही थी. एंड दिस स्माइल ही वांट्स टू थैंक Anil for everything he has given him. So I think you have understood the lesson. Thank you.